Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna just quickly show you how you can name yourself on your Jumper T-lite. So let's get right into that. We're gonna hold model down, then we're gonna hit model one time, and then we're going to be here where it says model name. I'm gonna get it to focus. There we go. We're gonna hit enter now once. We're gonna go down to model name. We're gonna hit enter, and then we use this to get our letters. So, what am I? I'm a Mr. And we're gonna make it capital by using this. If you hold down that button, boom, you got a capital letter. So then we're gonna go to the next letter, and yeah, Mr. Not gonna do capital, but we're gonna do spaces. So this, if you click it once, it goes to the next letter, you give yourself a space. If you hold it down, it'll give you a capital. So here we go. Mr. PQRS. Hold it down. There we go. I'm Mr. Snake. Yes, I am. Okay, there you go. So you do that. You hit enter, and now you are set. And I think that there, isn't that lovely, Mr. Snake right there. So now you can name yourself nice and easily, and you don't have to be model 01 anymore. Hopefully that helped you. If it did, please just smash that like button. I appreciate it. I'm going to be going through some more stuff with this controller and all sub 250 things. Okay? Have a great one.